आज हम एक ऐसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जिसके साथ सारी women relate कर सकती हैं, and that is what women want from their fathers. And to talk about this very special topic, I have invited a very talented actor and a proud daddy to a beautiful little girl, my family favorite, Kunal Khemu. Hi, Kunal.
Hi. Like we've done this whole year.
Yes.
From far away.
From far.
Hugs.
Okay.
That's how we've been.
I'm so happy because you were the only one left on the show. And I was like, Kunal has to come because we have such an amazing topic, and who better to talk about it than Ini's father?
I don't know who better, but I'm very excited to be here with Bebo and the baby.
I know. So first things first, Kunal, I want to know कि जब तुम्हें पता चल गया you've become a father to a girl, like what was your reaction?
मुझे लगता है कि I didn't have time to react. Before I knew whether it's a boy or a girl, it was just like you go in that daze. I don't know how to explain it. लेकिन मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ये एक ही relationship है, which you do not have to invest any time to be completely and madly in love with. It's the only relationship where you will sacrifice yourself in a heartbeat. And then from there it just keeps building on. और मुझे लगा कि that is the emotion that stopped it all. But I remember when Ajay Devgan, he messaged me and he said, how does it feel? And I said, I can't believe I'm having so much fun. And he said the fun will only begin once she turns 6 months. And he was right, because the relationship completely changes the way they react.
6 months only
and
like pooping and sleeping.
Yes, and trying to figure out how to hold their head.
Yeah. Also, Kunal, हर किसी का parenting तरीका अलग होता है. So, what are some parenting practices that you and Soha disagree on?
Oh God, I think सारी शुरुआती disagreements होती है.
मुझे सारे answers पता है, but I'll leave it to you. You tell our listeners, please.
Like I think किसी भी चीज़ का कोई perfect formula है नहीं. I think वो शादी से ही शुरू हुआ था, जब शादी से पहले advice इतनी मिलती थी कि इस तरह होना चाहिए, उस तरह होना चाहिए. Parenting में भी मुझे पता है कि सोहा तो हर चीज़ में इतनी किताबी है कि when she was pregnant उसने कम से कम 6 या 7 किताबें पढ़ डाली. पेरेंटिंग पे she wanted to be prepared for everything. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वो जंग पे जा रही है, इस तरह से तैयारी चल रही थी. वो जो अंदाज अपना अपना में जो परेश रावल जी का कैरेक्टर था ना कि सर शक्कर डालने का टाइम हो गया क्या, तो राम गोपाल बजाज की बेटी टाइप ऐसा हो गया कि उसका लिटरली 12 बजे ये 4:30 बजे स्नैक. I try to, but I have not been successful. और वो literally it's that moment where you're like कि अभी should I like fight this battle or wait for the war?
Yeah, obviously I knew I could have answered this question. But तो जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, I think ये जो paparazzi culture है उतना नहीं था. But I think now Taimur and Inaya both have to, kind of, it's there. It's in your face. So how do you feel when you open Instagram or go on to the internet and you see pictures of Inaya?
There are times where, I don't think much about it, but then there are times where it bothers me. And honestly, that is the only answer I have for this, क्योंकि हमारे लिए भी ये paparazzi culture बहुत नया है. I think Taimur is the first baby who brought in this baby paparazzi culture. क्योंकि उससे 1 साल पहले ही हम भी used to हो रहे थे कि पहली बार मुझे लगा कि रेस्टोरेंट से बाहर निकले और फोटो खींच रही थी. मैं कहा यार ये क्या हो गया. Now you have to take care कि कैसे पहने, बाल कैसे लग रहे हैं. हाँ, तो वो इतना नया था. और जब ये शुरू भी हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि even though हमें ये चीज़ समझ आती है, उन्हें ये पता नहीं है. And I think it's slightly unfair to them क्योंकि they have now been born into this world जहाँ उनको लगता है ये normal है. और उनके जो ऐसे दोस्त होंगे उनके लिए normal नहीं है. I don't know the kind of psychological effect it might have on them eventually. क्योंकि एक टाइम पे वो बड़े होंगे and then maybe they might get out of a restaurant से कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, and they might ask us this question कि ये फोटो क्यों खींचते हैं. So I don't know what that conversation will be all about. But having said that, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि because it's there, I don't want to scare the child कि अरे छुपा दो ये हो रहा है, क्योंकि उनको वो शायद समझ में नहीं आएगा. But I also have to say कि to a certain extent अभी तक जो paparazzi culture है, they've been pretty respectful of the times. If you tell them कि नहीं, then they say no. It got a bit dangerous. I remember जब Tim and I had gone to some swimming pool and दूर से किसी ने zoom lens. So that I completely am against. That is not okay. Especially like a parent has to be aware कि ऐसे हो रहा है. It can't be that खुफिया thing happening somewhere.
Yeah, that's true. So now in our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera Want It All moment, tell us about a time when you thought that you had achieved it all as a dad.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि एक ऐसा moment होता है, क्योंकि ये moment आते रहते हैं. आज इनफैक्ट ये हुआ, सोहा घर पे नहीं थी और मैं लैपटॉप पे कुछ काम कर रहा था और वो खाना खाने अपने कमरे में जा रही थी. तो शी केम रनिंग टू माय रूम एंड शी सेड, पापा आई एम गोइंग टू हैव लंच नाउ. आई सेड ओके. She said, after that you come and play with me? I said, yeah, of course, you just tell me whenever you want me to come. She said, because mama is out. I said, I'll come. She said, Papa, I love you. I said, I love you. And she said, I love you to the moon and back. अब मुझे नहीं पता ये उसने कब सीखा है. Maybe it was something that Soha said. मेरे लिए पहली बार ये हुआ. And you know, that was that moment where I'm like, बेटा सब ले जा. बोल क्या चाहिए तुझे. तो I think these moments keep happening where you feel that I don't know what
And this
more
is
I
it,
can feel as a father.
How amazing. So you've been around parents who have had boys, like you're always at home with Saif and me also, and we have Tim and you guys have Inaya. So what do you, when you look at us, like what is the difference that you feel in parenting a girl versus a boy?
The energies are slightly different. Even though दोनों ही शरारतें तो बाकायदा दोनों ही बराबर करते हैं, लेकिन I think there is this thing like you know I like read this somewhere and it's turned out to be so true कि वो कहते हैं कि जब आप अगर लड़का शैतानी करे बच्चा और आप उसको डांट भी देना तो वो फिर भी जिद करके या तो he'll stomp his feet and he'll still keep doing it. लेकिन अगर लड़की को आप डांट देना तो वो सहम जाएगी या वो रो देगी. And that's the sensitive bit that you have to get right with them. Because I think they're very much more, they're slightly more intelligent, they're more receptive.
That's true. So now social media पर comments बहुत ruthless होते हैं. So what have been some of the worst comments that you've ever, you know, had to deal with?
You know, honestly, मुझे याद है जब Twitter नया शुरू हुआ था और मैं बहुत बाद में वहाँ गया था, मुझे initially बहुत इफेक्ट करता था कि ये मेरे बारे में इतना बुरा क्यों बोल रहे हैं या गाली क्यों दे रहे हैं या कुछ चीज़ें तो मुझे समझ भी नहीं आती थी क्योंकि वो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स होती थी, तो कभी कभी उसको डिकोड करने में 10 मिनट लग जाते थे कि ये तारीफ कर रहा है गाली दे रहा है, और अगर गाली दे रहा है कौन सी दे रहा है क्योंकि इसमें AEDF सब स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग. बट देन लेटर ऑन आई रियलाइज कि वो इतना सारा वहाँ पर है और आई कांट रियली गेट अफेक्टेड by the people that I don't even know. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि ये कौन है कि you know XYZ_0012 जिसपे किसी you know बंदर की फोटो लगी हुई है, तो how can I get affected by that? तो I think over the years मैंने वो कमेंट्स पढ़ना बंद कर दिया, या मुझे लगता है ब्रेन आपका ऐसा ट्यून्ड है ना कि सिर्फ अच्छी बातें देख रहा है, जैसे उसको लगता है कुछ बुरा है तो you know आगे बढ़ जाता है. एंड सी आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया यू कांट ब्लेम बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट, क्योंकि हमने ये लाइफ चुनी है, हम वहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, हम अपनी लाइफ लोगों के सामने रखना चाहते हैं. सो वी हैव टू बी ओपन टू criticism, and I'm still okay with like a creative criticism. And it's not like when I put a post I want to see what people said about that.
Exactly.
I'm actually not that person. But then sometimes obviously you're going through it and you're like, oh इसमें इतने likes आए हैं, 1200 comments हैं, देखते हैं क्या बोला है, oh ये तो सब अच्छा है. You know, so sometimes you go through that, but not always, and you don't go through all the comments. और कभी-कभी अभी Instagram में अच्छा भी किसी ने आपको mention कर दिया, so you can see. Because there are a lot of people who I was blown away. I didn't even know that there are fan clubs who are there who do edits and they put out such nice stuff. Sometimes I'm
there
thinking,
is also nice stuff.
मैं जो content डाल रहा हूँ उससे अच्छा content तो ये लोग दे रहे हैं, तो maybe I should just post their content. So I mean, social media is that thing that if you get to understand it, then it's an ocean.
So now the next question, I know the answer to this, but obviously I want you to tell people. So when you and Soha have a fight, who usually makes the first move to obviously make up?
Bigology, empowered by Bumble.
Who do you think?
I mean,
सोहा, you know, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कई लोगों की डिक्शनरी में इम्पॉसिबल शब्द नहीं होता है, सोहा की डिक्शनरी में सॉरी शब्द है, लेकिन वो पन्ना पड़ गया है और वो कहीं और किसी ने डाल दिया कि वो मिलता ही नहीं है, वो कभी मिल गया तो ऐसा लगता है कि माइंड ब्लोइंग चीज हो गई. सो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मी.
yes, see, I knew that, but obviously, you know, it's not me saying that. Yeah, I think that it's not that. I think वैसे भी I feel even Saif says sorry, like he is the one who always says sorry also. I think men generally probably it's them doing the mistake.
It's the only question that we can raise our hand first. कौन sorry बोलेगा?
But maybe you guys do the mistake also, na? It's not like
I agree with you.
आप लोग ने कुछ किया होगा ना?
100%
So that you'll have to better to just say sorry and end it and, you know, make peace. Otherwise you can't sleep.
Hey, can we do what men want sometimes, please?
That's the next season, na? So now it's time for the fun game, which is amazing because I'm super excited for this game. obviously because it's family and you know I kind of like I want to know what you're going to say. So I'm going to give you some made up award categories and you have to say who from the family like is going to win this particular award.
Sorry, just in case.
It's going to be fab. Make it controversial, make it fun because it has to be like
sorry. Okay.
Okay, the first one you can't say me because it's not because yeah. I don't know why I feel that like yeah everyone will just assume it's me. The award for being the biggest diva goes to, I'm not a diva, right? No. I think it goes to Ini.
Ini, yeah, I was going to say Inaya.
The award for being the most entertaining.
You. I mean, close second to Bhai, or like it can just go here and there,
Yeah.
but definitely
It's a
one of
lethal
either
combination.
Bhai or you. Yeah, and it's amazing. I don't know. I never knew that about Bebo, that she is so funny, and we've had evenings where I make sure कि ये माहौल खाने से पहले बन जाए because फिर खाना बाहर आ सकता है.
Yeah, we've always had those mad laughing fit evenings, which is amazing. The award for always being late.
Bhai.
Yeah.
The visual of him running with that bag on the London airport saying, run, I'm going to miss my flight, I'm going to miss my flight.
God, I don't know why he does this. The award for the worst WhatsApp messages.
Me.
Why?
I
You can't.
get
If
this
you want to
person.
say somebody else, you have to say it. You can't now, Nol. Why are you taking the blame?
No, actually, we don't get so many WhatsApp messages.
Means?
I mean, there are some forwards which are in those cousins groups and like family
वैसे
groups.
type का.
But nobody's actually sent like annoying WhatsApp messages.
Okay, fine. The award for being the biggest faku.
Biggest faku. Soha.
Soha?
Faku number one when it comes to things that she thinks she knows. Like if you ask her book stuff, oh, of course she knows it. Like sometimes she wants to, like she can't be in a conversation and not contribute, right? तो कभी-कभी उसके पास 5 पैसे की information होगी ना, तो उसको 150 करके बेचेगी. That's the time when I look at her saying, अच्छा, और फिर उसमें क्या होता है? And then she look at me and she be like, ऐसा ही था ना? So yeah, so she can go on a feku spree.
Yeah, okay. On that sense, yeah, I agree with you. The award for being the most mufat.
Bhai,
Yeah.
he can be.
Foot
na?
in mouth.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
even
Muffet
mufat.
is the right word actually. Bhai, he has to
He'll
be.
just say it, right?
Yeah, and then he'll be like, oh, I screwed up.
The award for being the most polite.
Can I take that? I think I've been very polite, but no, but Soha again,
Soha.
because she is always polite and always. I
correct.
don't know how she does. She's always correct and she's always in the right.
Yeah.
और मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है ये वाली technique मुझे सीखनी पड़ेगी.
So as you know, like not many people in this family is just like we've just like given all the awards between Soha, Kunal, me and
Yeah,
Seth.
because we spend so much time with each other. We don't spend so much time with others. Yeah.
It's been an amazing episode. I've always wanted you on the show, and I think this topic actually, whenever we've had like we had Amma, we had Saif, we had Soha, now you, all the topics have been a blockbuster. Like everyone on our show has repeatedly watched this, and I think it's been fun because you've answered honestly. And parenting, fatherhood is such an important topic. You know, it's a topic that I think हर किसी से resonate करता है. And आज के ज़माने में we always talk about motherhood, but fatherhood की ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती है. So I'm really happy you came and spoke about it.
Thank you so much.
So thank you for coming on my show.
Yay.